knew I should have paid the bill. Whew, it's cold. Man, glad I bought that generator. Whew, it's cold. Glad I got my old trusty heater. Man, glad I got that heater going. Whew. Guess no TV, I'll have to use my phone. Residents die from improperly used generator.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Karan Wright with the Valdosta Fire Department. When the power goes out, avoid generator use inside. Have you heard of carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is a poisonous, colorless, odorless gas that's released when fuel burning equipment is in operation. Carbon monoxide is found in vehicle exhaust, smoke from chimneys and grills, and smoke from outdoor small engines such as this generator. Now, it's smart to use a generator when the power goes out, but you want to be sure to do so safely. A generator should always be used outside and away from the home. When a generator is used too close to the home, carbon monoxide can creep into your home and poison those inside. And it affects those with abnormal lung function more quickly than it will someone with normal lung function. For example, if you have asthma, emphysema, or COPD, you will be more likely to be affected more quickly than someone with normal lung function. You can protect you and your family from carbon monoxide poisoning by installing a carbon monoxide detector in your home, outside the sleeping areas, on every level of your home. Be sure and change your carbon monoxide detectors every time the time changes. So when the time moves up an hour, change your detector batteries. When the time moves back an hour, change your detector batteries. If you need any assistance in how to protect yourself from carbon monoxide, contact your Valdosta Fire Department. We're always here to help you.